Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of another wonderful company. I kind of forgot I have some in my closet. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So the company I'm unboxing is bellaart Diamonds. I have several of her canvases because I was going through my stash again and I saw these cute little black boxes kind of put in the back. They're kind of smaller canvases, so I think that's why I kind of didn't really see them too well, and I do love their boxes. They're really sturdy, and they are all the ones I've purchased, and I purchased them around almost the beginning of 2024, so around a year ago. Ooh, I can say that now. And the front of the box includes the name of the company. On the side is just some colorful decal. In the back, instructions if you're new to diamond painting. I'm a big fan of that. On the other side is just information of what diamond painting is, standard warnings, because there are some small items. And yeah, that's basically it. At the bottom of the box, which I'm a big fan of, they do include, apologies, top of the box, they include what the painting is. This painting is called Merchant, and it's a little longer than my desk, so that's why I have it at a weird angle. It's a little kitty cat trying to sell some weird wares, you know, in front of their little store I'm trying to remember what it's called. Stand. There you go. Sorry about that. And it says Mary's Diamonds, but to my understanding, that's what the company was before, or they purchased that company. Apologies, I'm not too familiar with the history of bellaart. I just heard it before from another channel, so that's why the label looks a little off. I believe that's where, you know, they transitioned art over. But for me, this is called bellaart Diamonds. And yeah, let me get everything out of the box and we can check out the canvas. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So it's the canvas and a tray, and oh my goodness, I love these trays. They're my favorite trays. I'm being really honest. They pour really quickly, and especially when I'm doing kit up videos, as you know, some of y'all wonderful returning viewers have seen, I've used these trays before. So I really love these trays a lot. It's sturdy plastic, keeps the lines really straight. Nothing really fancy, they just really do a good job. I'm a big fan of that. And everything else is within the canvas, which is wrapped around in a sturdy plastic bag. It's really useful because it saves, you know, the canvas from having any dirt or being damaged in any way. So let me just take everything out of the bag real quick. And this canvas is a little smaller than other ones I've shown previously, so that's why it looks really, woo, it's kind of small. It's a little smaller. So the canvas is a nice soft velvet. Big fan of that. The edges are lightly scalloped and punched. It's to help the edges from fraying. And I have it upside down. And this is the canvas. So everything is rolled up within the canvas, which I'm a big fan of. It does include labels and includes the diamonds. So let me get everything out and we can look further. Oh, and the toolkit as well. I always thought it was just the tray, but now it does have a toolkit. You can see the beautiful cat. It is so cute. And it's the little stand where it's selling all of its little wares. It's so cute. I really like this. So I'm going to try to roll it the opposite way just to keep it from rolling up on me. Ooh, apologies, I hit the microphone. It's going to keep rolling up. You can see the little kitty face. So this is the label sheet. Ooh, and it's the little toolkit and the diamonds. So the toolkit is, I really do like their toolkits because I've unboxed. My Yarn Crafter's Delight is a bellaart canvas. When I first unboxed it, I fell in love when I saw the toolkit. Mostly because I really love the tray. They do put the tray outside. As you could tell, it wasn't within the canvas. They, to my understanding, they added after they received the canvases, which I have no issue at all because I said I love the trays a lot. So I'm going to just pour everything out of the bag. And it includes really sturdy resealable bag that does not want anything out. Includes your standard pen and a sturdy little grip. So in case you want to use the standard pen, it gives you comfort, especially when you're painting for a long time. A multi-placer of 3. Couple multi-placers, I believe that's a 6. And I believe that's 9 or 10. I do apologize. I'm really bad at pinpointing exactly which ones they are. But I do love these plastic placers. They work really well. I'm a big fan of it. Your pointy standard tweezers. Ooh, these are... Oh, yeah, that kind of hurts. I really love their tweezers. They're really sturdy and thick, and I like that. Roll of washi tape. Oh, they're cute little trees or triangles. Or banners, depending on how you see them. I really like them. They're so cute. I like the colors a lot. So I'm a big fan of it. And a little container. I believe it has 3 pads of wax. I was correct. I love the blue wax. It works really well. And I really do love their wax. I've used it before. And I love the little container because it's all crystalline and that's real pretty. And that's all really the kit has. It's just a standard one. I do appreciate the tweezers. As I said, I really love their tweezers. I appreciate the tape as well, because I do not have a lot of washi tape. So let me put these aside real quick. And this is the label sheet. I love that they have pre-cut labels, which are an adhesive. Apologies, I'm going to fold it the other way, just to keep them from... I kind of don't want to accidentally pull one off and I lose a label. And it's really nice, kind of shiny paper, as you can see, and it has all of the information about the canvas. This canvas is called Merchant, which is licensed from Vicky. It is a 55 by 55 centimeter or 21.65 by 21.65 inch, and it is a round diamond with 52 colors and includes 3 ABs. Yeah, I see them right here. As I said, it's a little kitty cat trying to, you know, sell its items and hopefully trying to make a profit. It is so cute. When I first saw this canvas, and I am being honest, I kind of forgot how small it was. I thought it was a little bigger. That is really interesting. And yeah, at the bottom it has the information about the website, bellaart and Nicole, and that is the site. So they also do sell accessories and all of that, and numerous other canvases. I'm a big fan of this one because, as I said, I love the little kitty cat. And these are the diamonds. They're already kitted up in resealable bags, as you can see. Excuse me. They are numerical order based off of the legend. So, which is really neat because myself, I try to keep everything numerical, but since they have the labels, I'll probably be looking at the symbols. I do not use the resealable bags. I do pour them out and kit them up in another container. So I'm a big fan that they're all organized. I really love that. And this is the canvas. It's a nice square canvas, which I'm a big fan of. So let me just bring in the top real quick. I think it's a little larger than my camera space. Yeah, a little bit. So let me bring the top real quick. And at the top, it has information about, I believe, the company that it was before, Mary's Diamonds, and some social media and the websites as well. At the bottom left corner and on the top right corner, they have the legend of all of the symbols and the diamonds. And I love that it's on DMC, so I'm a big fan of that because I do store my diamonds in that code. At the bottom left is the information about the painting and a thumbprint as well of the picture. Middle of the bottom of the painting, information about the site, as well in the lower right, information about their social media. The one thing I really love about this canvas is, as you can see, one legend is upright, another legend is upside down. As you can see, when I turned it, it became upright. I'm a big fan of that because I turn my canvas while I'm working on it. So I really appreciate that. That makes it a lot simpler because, you know, sometimes when we have the up arrow and when you turn it around, it actually looks like a down arrow. So sometimes I get confused. I appreciate that they do that. Big fan of that. And yeah, this is a really cute canvas that I'm a big fan of. It has a really thick, sturdy plastic. As you can hear, really love that. And the drill field, ooh, really lost a fingerprint. It's really sturdy as well. I haven't had a chance to do a round painting because I've been working on their squares, and I love their squares. They are so easy to use and they're so smooth to place. I'm thinking of working on this canvas this year because it's so cute, and it is just 55 by 55. It'll probably take me a couple of weeks to complete it. It's such a cute image. I really love the kitty cat. It's so cute. Stay tuned for that. If I do move forward, I'll make sure to do a kit up video of this wonderful canvas. And since it keeps rolling down on me, I'm going to do a flyover of this video with some relaxing music, which is going to start right about now. And we're back. I really hope you enjoyed the little flyover video with the relaxing music. And the more I keep looking at it, I am going to kit it up pretty soon and work on it because it is so cute. And it reminds me a lot of my cat. So the more I look at it, I really want to work on it. And yeah, stay tuned for that. I will do a kit up video, and hopefully I can move forward and complete this as soon as I can. I actually have a release paper that has a little orange cat, so it will match perfectly with this canvas, which I'm a big fan of. And all the information about this painting will be in the description below, in case this cute little canvas is your cup of tea as well. Sorry for the little random insert. I noticed when I was getting close, almost done recording, I did not really show the diamonds that much. Honestly, I do not kind of want to take them out. I love how they all in order, and as you can see, the wonderful colors of all the diamonds. But I will show the special diamonds. There are only 3 ABs, and luckily they were at the end of the strip, so we can see where these special diamonds go. So number 50, which is AB 602 AB, it's a little arrow pointing up. It's a really light pink, or actually a dark pink. Ooh, beautiful AB. Their round diamonds are really shiny, and that's because when I was reviewing them, I saw, oh my goodness, that is real nice. But I also seen other diamond painters complete some of their canvases. Their round diamonds are really nice, so that's why I was really excited to pick up this canvas. This nice, really dark pink. Actually, I thought maybe it might have been in the ears, but no, it's actually in this fruit. This little fruit that's in the box is where this wonderful pink goes, and I don't see it in anywhere else. I really do like that. Oh, it's also here as the coloring of this listing. I believe it's a listing showing what the kitty cat has for sale. Oh, kind of makes sense. Make it match. Let them know this little fruit is that one. And number 51 is a nice pumpkin orange. It's the little pill symbol. And it is ooh, it looks real pretty in orange. I really love that AB. And this little AB, I thought it might have been with the other fruit or with the kitty cat, but it's not. It's actually, I keep thinking this is a bomb, but it's not. I think it's a drink. It reminds me of those old video game, little toy bombs. That's what it looks like to me. Oh, it goes on the box. So this wonderful orange is the little orange decal that's on the box. Oh, I love that the little box is getting all the ABs. Oh, that's too cute. And number 52, which is the last AB, is 5200 AB. It's this wonderful white AB. This AB, the symbol is a little slash pointing to the lower right. This goes on the little papers of the signs. So this paper here, and the little kind of menu of what the kitty cat is selling. I thought it might have been on the stand, but no, it's on the papers. Oh, it's also over here. It's an image. It's a photo of another cat. Might be its mom. I think that's cute. I really do. I didn't see that till right now. That is too cute. So this wonderful white AB is going to anything. That's pretty much a piece of paper. Oh, I really like that. I really thought the kitty cat might have some shine on it, but it does not. Huh. I do have some white ABs, not from bellaart though, but from another company, but I'm not too sure if I would enhance this painting. Because honestly, I did want some, you know, really, really cute sparkle on the cat. Because I believe the cat is the focal point. But I do like it though. And I think I might put it in its ears. Symbol number 1. The color for that one is 224. I don't know if I have a fairy dust in that color. And that would look nice as a little fairy dust for the ears. Oh, I think I might do that. Oh, also for its little nose. Oh, that's so cute. Stay tuned for that. When I do kit this up and if I decide I am going to do some enhancements, I'll let you all know. But I just really wanted to show you all the special diamonds. As I said, I didn't catch it till I was getting close to the end of the video that I noticed, oh, I didn't even show the diamonds. Sorry about that. So I really hope you, y'all liked that. Fortunately, I was able to show where all of these wonderful ABs go. So for that, let's get back to the video. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Kitty cats and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.